Good morning. We are in Haleaka National Park and we are going to, where are we going? We're hiking on the Halemau'u Trail, going to where?
Wherever we want.
Perfect, wherever we want. So this is the plant community. Lots of plants. I don't really know what to say right now. It's kind of early. So this is, oh, here we go. This is Mamane. You guys have seen these in the nursery videos and stuff. On Molokai, they were kind of these like tall, spindly seedlings. But here, they're kind of like really robust and kind of crazy looking. There's some more flowers. But yeah. And the foliage changes a little bit, but it can also be that it's just different. But we're gonna head out and show you more plants along the way. So we just made it to Rainbow Bridge, and this is the building.
Part of it.
Well, part of it, yeah. The rest of it's like shrouded in mystery behind that fog. But yeah, it's pretty huge. Like there's a fog coming up the hill, the mountain. So Monica just said that we are going to be traversing down this. Yay! You can kind of see a little bit of the switchback over there, but how far is it down? 3 miles, wow. Okay, cool. Alright, see you in the bottom. So we just made it into the crater, and the fog is lifting, so you can see some blue sky over there. And we just came down from over there. Can't really see it because the fog's over it. But that's okay.
See the trail.
Yeah, you can see the switchbacks in the mountain. Yeah, right there. See the little zigzags going up. So, hopefully it'll start getting more barren.
Yep.
Alright, see ya. We're just taking a break. And we are joined by some chuckers. I don't know if you can really see them. These little birds. Just hanging out, eating the primroses.
It's fun watching them with the flowers.
Hey everybody, so we are in the crater again, but now we're even more desolate. Like a lot of like cindery soils. Here's the Hawaiian native, Debaudia. It's really cool because it crosses with Silverswords. That's what Monica was telling me. There's like a bigger bush of it. But yeah, so we're heading to Silversword Loop. Oh, actually, we're almost at Silversword Loop because you can kind of see silver swords in the distance. Probably not with my good camera work, but whatever. So, we're checking out some silver swords. Yeah, instead of a silver sword.
Yeah.
So we just made it to Silversword Loop. So we're gonna go, and there's a silver sword. Let's see. Our goal is to find one that's in flower. And apparently there are some, but we don't really totally know. But this is what they look like. Really silvery, really hairy, protects them from the sun. It's really nice because this plant is on my botany bucket list, so I get to cross that off. It's been a really long time that's actually been on there, so I'm actually really excited to be here in the crater and seeing all these like crazy, weird plants that look like they're from outer space. And we kind of look like we're on Mars. all this red cinder. So the hunt for the elusive flowering silversword begins now. Okay, so we just stumbled upon something really cool. I had to change my camera battery for this. Monica just pointed out this plant, and this is a hybrid between the silversword and the dubaudia, which is that plant over there. So the silverswords are, so that's the dubaudia, and then we're gonna go over a little bit, do some crazy stuff, and that's the silversword. And they both can interbreed and produce these. It's kind of like a branching silversword looking like thing. And you said this is your favorite plant?
One of my favorites, silversword.
That's really cool. We're still on the hunt for the elusive flowering silversword, and like we have lots of fog rolling in. But it's really cool. It's like really trippy. I don't really know what else to say. It's just very odd and like weird, but really, really cool. Yeah. So we're just looking at plants, and Monica's field notebook. She's quite the artist, as you can see. But we're just looking up some plants that we've been seeing along the way. We can't remember the scientific name, so she has them on her little handy dandy field book.
I have multiple field notebooks.
How do you, like, is it because you ran out of space in the other one, or is it?
Yeah. I've gone through 5.
Oh, wow. Field biology requires lots of notebooks.
Rain.
Exactly. So we just completed the silversword loop, which is a lot shorter than I think we both anticipated.
I knew it was
Oh, you knew it was short?
short.
Okay, so I didn't know that it was that short. But we didn't see any flowering silverswords, so I guess I'll have to come back. But it was really cool that we got to see that hybrid. That was really awesome. And yeah. So maybe at the visitor center there might be a flowering silversword, but we'll take a gander at the visitor center. Then Hosmer's Grove.
Logical.
So we'll be doing like. So right now we're on Mars, as you can see. And then we'll be going to Montana in a little while. So, alright. I guess we will just continue to look for silverswords. Alright. So we're just hiking. We just made it to the beginning of the loop. And just saw this Caprasma montana. This is related to the other Caprasma. Do you remember the species name? Ernieoides. Which is coupe nene, which means like nene poop. Because it has little black berries. They kind of look like nene poop. We're back on Mars. Haven't really left. Hey, so this came up really abruptly. We almost missed it. Forgot to record it on the way here. But Monica just pointed out this is sandalwood, an Iliahi. What was the species? The
Sandalum
A lot of vowels at the end. We don't really know how to say any of that. But they have really cool like alternating opposite foliage. And here on this individual you can see there are some fruits and there are some flowers. So hopefully those are coming up. I can't really see because it's kind of tough for me to see the stuff, so I'll just bend it a little. Yeah, there you go. I want to smell them. And they're really fragrant. So, awesome. Santalum Haleaka something. Haleaka. Yeah. And we are pressing on. Okay, so we just found the other species of Caprasma. Ornitoides, and they're the little blackberries. It's kind of like, it's not well, it is a shrub, but it's not a tall one. Like, it's, yeah.
Creeping shrub.
Creeping, that's the word that we want. It's a creeping shrub. My friend Jason works on this plant, so it's kind of cool. Kukai nene poop. Pretty cool. It's a pretty neat plant. But I guess we will be on our way. So this is the last Silversword that we're probably going to see on the way out. I just want to say it's awesome. They're really like, I didn't really talk too much about the texture, but they're kind of like succulent leaves. And they're really like highly silvered for sun screen, protect them from the sun. But they're also like really soft, which is really cool. But yeah, so fun. Well, we'll see some other like glossy foliage plants on the way up. There's a geranium that I want to show you guys, and I also want to show you the polymorphism in what is it, vaccinium, the helloberry, which is really cool. So we'll be seeing that on the way out. Just got a few pictures of this valley before it completely disappeared just a few seconds ago. And you can see the fog just rolling right in. That is our way out, but we are totally socked in. It's kind of raining a little bit. Yeah. This is field. So this is kind of what the other side of the crater looks like from this vantage point, but you really can't see much anymore just because the fog came in. So, alright. Hey, so it's raining a lot right now, but this is the silvery geranium. You can see it has like 3 lobes on the leaf. Pretty cool plant, really soft, very tomatose. And it's raining a lot. So we just made it back. It's a little wet out there. You might be able to see. We totally got drenched. Sorry, I didn't really get to show you guys the vaccinium, reticulatum, the different leaves. But I took pictures, so maybe I'll post them in the video if I can find good music. But we're probably not going to go to Montana at Hosmer's Grove, so
yeah, maybe tomorrow.
We're kind of wet.
Yeah.
Alright, bye.